Hi guys, just wanted to go through Flipgrid with you because I know it's something that I mentioned before we came into remote learning. So here I am in flipgrid.com and it's pretty simple. Where it asks you to enter the code, I've made it nice and simple, just Bath 2020. Once you click on go to my grid, it's going to pop up with a page like this where you're going to be prompted to sign in with Google and type in your at school's address. So I've got one already logged in here, and over here you can see that it now has Year 7 2020 and we have one topic. So the topic to start with is Remote Learning 2.0. What is the best thing about remote learning? And what I want you to do is click this record a response button and follow the prompts through so you can give me a response. Once you've done that, you can let me know in Google Classroom that you've completed that task, and I'll be able to come over into Flipgrid and see what all your responses are. So I hope that's helpful. Play around with it, see how you go, and enjoy it. Bye.